If you're like me, then you probably get the laundry day scaries. In fact, I can't wait for laundry day to be over. With my active family, sometimes it seems like laundry day is every day in my house. From a quick midweek refresh to tackling mountains of clothes after a busy weekend. And that's exactly why I love LG's lineup of front-load washers. They're smart, stylish, and built to make laundry day faster, easier, and honestly, just better. Let's jump into the features you'll find across each model. And trust me, they're pretty awesome. First up is LG's built-in intelligence. This is a game changer. The washer uses AI to detect fabric types and load sizes, then automatically picks the perfect settings. No more guessing at cycles or hoping you choose the right one. And with smart pairing, the washer even tells the dryer which cycle to use. Laundry basically runs itself. These washers also work with the LG ThinQ app, which keeps everything connected and effortless. Start loads from your phone, track progress, download specialty cycles, use voice assistants. It's next level convenience. Plus, the ThinQ app can help with diagnostics, which is a lifesaver when you just want things to run smoothly. And let's talk speed. Turbo Wash 360 is clutch even when you're short on time. 5 powerful jets hits clothes from every angle to deliver full, deep clean in under 30 minutes. Fast and effective? I'm all in. Plus, with True Balance, anti-vibration, and low decibel quiet operation, you can run a load anytime. Early morning, late night, during movie night, without shaking the whole house. Perfect for main floor or upstairs laundry spaces. Now let's check out what makes each model stand out. The WM4000 brings the essentials with a 4.5 cubic foot capacity. Great for everyday laundry. It features LG's classic dial-a-cycle controls, super simple and familiar. And you can grab it in white or black steel, both clean and modern. Stepping up to the WM5800, you get a 5.0 cubic foot mega capacity drum, which is amazing for big families, bulky bedding, or extra large loads. The hybrid controls takes things up a notch, blending a sleek touchscreen with a traditional dial for that perfect mix of modern and intuitive. It also adds a drum light, and the whole design has a stylish, flat front look with tinted glass that really feels premium. Available in alpine white and graphic steel. At the top of the lineup is the WM6700, and this one brings the big upgrades. This washer features a sleek digital LCD dial that makes navigating cycles feel futuristic and fun. You still get 5.0 cubic foot mega capacity and a drum light. But now LG adds an easy dispense automatic dispenser. Just fill the detergent reservoirs once and you're good for up to 18 wash cycles. No measuring, no spills, and it disperses detergent exactly when you need it for the best results. And it comes in black steel, giving that ultra premium look. So get rid of the laundry day scaries with all these smart features, incredible performance, and convenient upgrades across the lineup. Choosing the right LG front-load washer really comes down to what fits in your home and how you do laundry. Explore more at bestbuy.com, the Best Buy app, or stop by your local store and chat with an expert to help you find your perfect match.